Hello, this is the Cat Pro from Hobbyking. Got a G control board in there, and it comes with a gimbal. And having a little issue with the gimbal. Been working on it for a month now, and can't get it to keep skipping and jerking. I'm gonna plug it up and show what it does. Okay, that's when it initiates. Vin wants to see that. I'm gonna bring it down. It keeps jerking. I've been successful at stopping the noise by changing the frequency. I'm doing it this time in a different manner to show that it does it no matter what. But it gets stuck there, here. It doesn't really react. If I help it, it may. Sometimes it stays steady if I increase the power of the motor, but it'll always do that, no matter what. I have swapped the motors, the roll to the pitch and vice versa, and it still does that. Thank you.